Welcome back, Techatonians. Another video about a dash camera. And why am I doing another video on a dash cam? Well, I still haven't found the perfect dash camera for myself. Now, I found this dash camera at CES 2020. I talked to the company and they sent me this for a review. Now, it's a super night vision and it's a front and rear installation. So what that means is you get one camera in front and one in the back, and it has cool features like 1080p front face and rear. It has a 3-inch LCD, G sensor, supports up to 128 gigs of memory card, has speed limit alerts, parking mode, lane department warning, front collision warning, has Wi-Fi, and it has an app. So quickly, let's jump into the box and see what comes with the product before we go and install it and take it for a test drive. Right off the back, we have instruction manual. Got the main camera. So this is the front-facing camera, and this one is the rear-facing camera. And they both have a 3M tape, so it's really easy to attach to the front and the back. So it comes with a lot of wires. I don't know. I'm gonna see how I could rewire everything and make and hide the wires. We'll see how this goes. And this one is adjustable up and down, so you could actually adjust it the way you need it. And this is a little mount that attaches both the cameras together so they work together. And this also acts as a holder for the front camera. Got a few cables so they work through cigarette lighter, and it comes with an SD card. I mean, it's always nice for a company to include an SD card. It's not even inside there, it's inside the camera. All right. 16 gigabytes. I'm gonna put, of course, 128 gigs. All right, so let's go and install the camera. All right, so I did wire the camera. I placed it right here, right under my mirror. And it comes with a backup camera, which I'll show you guys. So I pretty much put the two wires going all the way there. And then from here, I run it down to the bottom of the door, and it's hard to see, but it goes under this plastic and runs all the way to the end of the car. So from all the way front of the car, it runs right over here, and then the camera itself attaches right over there. So if I close the trunk, for example, it sits right here. Sorry, my car is very dirty. So now it records everything from under the trunk, and it's also adjustable. You could move it up and down if needed. Now let me show you one more time. So starting there, goes right over there, goes down and around the door. Now the other wire that goes to the back is going from the top. So there's two ways I wired it. The back camera goes all the way around to the back of the trunk, while the front camera, because it uses a cigarette lighter, goes from the bottom, and it will go all the way under my seat into my cigarette lighter right here. Now, if you have a cigarette lighter in front, it would be much easier. But since I don't, I had to wire it to the back of the car. Now, sorry, bad quality because I'm in my garage and trying to wire everything correctly, but this is pretty much like a basic idea so you guys know how to wire it yourselves. Now, it's called GEKO gear, so you could go to their website click products, and they have a lot of cameras. So if that one is too big, you could go with the Orbit 120. That I was just reviewing the newest one, Orbit 950. And where to buy, I'll have the link for Amazon, so you could directly click the link down in my description and buy it. But you could buy it in Walmart, Costco, Best Buy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. Thank you for watching. Like always, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment below.